hello everyone. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at some previously unseen aspects of a very significant and widely discussed day in history. January 6th, 2021. The footage you are about to see was captured on police body cams during the Capitol protest and was not made public until recently. In this video, we'll examine what the situation was like for law enforcement on the ground. Let's get started.
house. I paid for it. I gotta rest my back. I'm not starting any trouble. We're not starting any trouble. Don't worry about it. Relax, man. We're not starting any trouble. We're not starting any trouble. Listen, we're not starting any trouble. Don't you guys start trouble. Just relax. We're peaceful. We're peaceful people. We love our country. We love this country. It belongs to us. Not starting any trouble. Have a lot of voice trouble.
I'm not going to do it.
Northwest 45!
I just want to send it all in, bro. Fuck you. Who beats on American citizen? You gonna beat on American citizen?
Please go get my flag. Be a patriot. Be a patriot. Get my flag. Be a patriot. Get my flag. Send one of them get my flag, and I'm gonna help you back it off. I want my flag now. It's in Nancy's office, the first door. It's back by the window. You see a big American flag. I need my flag. I can't hear you. Y'all ain't gonna stop them if they want to come in. If you don't get my flag, I'm gonna get them to help me get it. They'll follow me. I want my flag. The state senator gave me that flag. It is that bitch's office. Nancy Pelosi gave me her office. She don't deserve it. It's got my blood on it. I'm gonna call him in. It's a big American flag on a steel pipe for Antifa. Hey, hey. We're right here. They're trying to keep us out.
Officer, take care of that officer right now. Sergeant, take care of that officer right now. She's going to cause a real big problem.
We are patriots. We're patriots. This is our building. I need my flag. I swear to God, you better see him take my flag. I'll do it anyway. I'll fix that shit. I'll get it. You better get my flag. You better get my flag. Tell him to get my flag.
Back up. Back down. You're going to back down.
I'm fixing to bring him in. I'm going to bring him in. Get my flag.
You guys are done. We're not here to hurt you. Stop. I understand you're doing your
Y'all
job.
better get my flag. I'm going to bring him in. She'll be right through here. I'll get my flag.
You're outnumbered.
Nancy Pelosi's office. Sitting over there by her desk. I need my American flag. It's going to get really bad. Bullshit, you know, right? Believe me, it's all bullshit, yes or no? Yes or no? I know what you feel, bro. I know what you feel. I know what you feel. I love it, brother. I'm gonna walk. But I know what you feel. But you can't say it. And I agree.
Push it through. We don't have time for that shit. Push it through. You okay? Do you need water?
Guys, this covers the first part of these events, where we saw how the situation gradually became more tense. The video is quite long, and there are many more critical and shocking moments ahead. Please comment part 2 in the comment section below, so we can bring you the next part as soon as possible. Until then, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.